Welcome back to Grey Guild. This is Glenn. This week we have another vlog for our Bricklink Store. As you can see, I still have a lot of parts to reincorporate and condense into the store. These are from the last couple of kits that I parted out, the Indiana Jones and the Star Wars one, the shuttle. The ghost ship. So that's all in the store right now. Bricklink did come back online last week, around Tuesday or so, and I did get 2 orders almost immediately following the reopening. I believe these have not still been entered into Bricklink Store, so they'll probably be there for a while. I put the parts back in as I have my tablet and I bring up my inventory and I just go through the inventory items and then put out the parts that are in each category, and then using the comments that I've added, put them in their respective drawers. I do have the weapons separated in those little bins or dividers, and I have them labeled so I can keep track on which ones. And then I have this other section over here. These are the new kits that I bought from Walmart. I happened to be in there, buying groceries, and I always stop by, and these kits were on sale. I checked Amazon when I got back, and they're similarly priced, so you can still get the same deal on Amazon. These have a double return on them. For example, the dreams were $16, I believe, and the part out value was going over around $32, a little over $32, and that's the case with most of these items. They're at least double, if not a little bit more, part out value. As you saw from last week, I did get a couple more bin units, and so I have this one, and then I have the empty one behind it. So this week I'll probably be parting out probably at least the Dream ones and the Star Wars, because I do like adding the Clone Troopers to the store. And then, like I said, this week I did have a couple of sales along with last week or the prior week, and they kind of cleared me out of Transclear 1x2x2s bulk item, and almost cleaned me out of the 2x2 dark gray bricks. So I'll have to go to the Lego store probably in another week or so. I'll be going over there to see what's on the pad wall and see if I can stock up on bulk items. Here's my other bins, the last of the bins, and I'll probably have to order 2 more, and I'll put that at the end here to kind of make it a little U shape alcove, and that'll be another little section, full section of parts. Now let's go over the numbers for this week. Like I said, my goal for items is 50,000, and right now I'm sitting at 23,282. For lot count, my goal is 5,000. I'm at 2,765 with a store value of 3,187 and 31 cents. And like I said, orders 2 weeks ago I had 3 orders, and this last week I had 2, and I want my goal is set at 5 a week. And that's not bad, especially like I said, considering Bricklink was down and it came back up, and a lot of people were putting their store on sale. I had just come off of a sale, so I didn't want to kind of throw another sale right after it. So I was surprised to get at least 2 orders. So we'll see what this week has to do. I may, because of the holidays, put a sale on, especially for Thanksgiving time. I'll probably do at least 10, maybe a 15-20% sale just to see if I can get it, sales by the end of the year. All right. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment, and we'll see you next week.